Bhutan, a luxury escape from Mumbai. Do you think Maldives, Dubai, or Switzerland hold a monopoly on luxury travel? Think again. Bhutan offers luxury hotel stays that rival the world's finest, with tariffs from 30K to 2 lakh rupees per night. At Nature Wings, we take immense pride in our close-knit relationships with Bhutan's most prestigious luxury hotels. Taj, Le Méridien, Six Senses, Pemako, Gante Lodge, Dawa at Hilltop, Bhutan Spirit Sanctuary. These aren't just partnerships, they're bonds built on trust, shared values and a commitment to excellence. With direct flights to Paro Airport via Delhi, Kolkata or Guwahati, Bhutan is only a short journey away. What sets Nature Wings apart is that every hotel featured in our Bhutan packages has been personally visited and verified by our Managing Director, Mr. Sandeep Raha. His expert recommendations ensure that your stay is not only luxurious but also culturally immersive and logistically seamless. Our curated luxury and ultra-luxury selections include Le Méridien Paro, Riverside Elegance with panoramic views, Six Senses Thimphu, Wellness and Sophistication in the capital, Pemako Punaka, Heritage Charm meets Modern Comfort, Gante Lodge Phobjika, Soulful Retreats in Glacial Valleys, Dawa at Hilltop, Paro, Boutique Serenity Above the Clouds, Bhutan Spirit Sanctuary, a 5-star ultra-luxury wellness retreat in Paro. Each property offers a distinct experience, yet all share a commitment to comfort, authenticity and exceptional service. If you dream of exploring Bhutan with 5-star luxury, let Mr. Sandeep Raha, MD and Bhutan Super Specialist, personally guide your journey. Do you know, foreign tourists need to pay $100 per night, nearly rupees 8,800 per night, as sustainable development fees to visit Bhutan? Despite the premium, lakhs of global travelers visits Bhutan for its unmatched serenity and luxury. Yet we Indians enjoy a special privilege of just rupees 1,200 per night. As neighbors, we're gifted access to a kingdom that blends spiritual depth with 5-star indulgence. Bhutan is a journey you feel within, not just a place you see. Here, time slows down. There are no traffic jams, no noisy crowds, no pollution, only crisp mountain air, serene valleys, and the warm smiles of the Bhutanese people. With a very low air quality index, AQI, of 25, Bhutan's air is among the cleanest in the world, free from harmful pollutants. Bhutan is not just peaceful. It is an ultra-luxury escape where every moment feels like a royal experience. Bhutan isn't just a destination, it's an experience of serenity, spirituality, and timeless beauty. With years of experience and a reputation for excellence, Nature Wings doesn't just book your trip, we craft it. From the moment you inquire to the final farewell, our team ensures every detail is handled with care. And with Mr. Sandeep Raha's personal involvement, you gain access to insider insights that elevate your journey from memorable to truly transformative.